Ever find it frustrating that each power tool brand has its specific battery and charger? It's like they're all speaking different languages. But with PDnation, we're breaking down those barriers. No more feeling locked into one brand's products. Now, you can mix and match tools from different brands hassle-free, without the headache of incompatible batteries or chargers. With PDnation Universal Battery System, you're no longer restricted to just one brand like Dewalt, Milwaukee, or Makita. Without breaking the bank, you can now freely choose tools from different brands. One battery meets the needs of almost all power tools, allowing us to choose from a wider range of power tool brands. Whether I'm repairing cars in the workshop or making furniture in the studio, the PDnation battery system liberates me from the constraints of brand-specific standards. Additionally, the PDnation battery is equipped with dual USB ports, serving as not only a power tool battery, but also a portable power bank, providing power to multiple mobile devices. It also features bidirectional charging and recharging functions, 0.0 bidirectional technology, easily achieving 45 watts fast charging and recharging. PDnation Fully Charged, featuring best-in-class 21700 cells for longer lifespan and higher power output, ensuring efficient work. Most importantly, the PD battery also includes 4 protection functions to ensure your safety and battery stability. Perhaps one battery alone can't revolutionize everything, but the PDnation battery has definitely enhanced my workflow with its seamless compatibility and reliable performance. Thank you, PDnation.